review. It's my totally first video I'm recording in English, so don't laugh too much, please. I know my English sucks. Hello everybody, my name is Mark and this is my YouTube channel BAZYL TV. So usually I'm recording here reviews and unboxing videos of electronics. Sometimes I'm building my own gadgets and sometimes I'm recording videos about yerba mate. But today is something totally new and exciting for me because company named Fifine called me, text me, send me an email. Do I want to record a video about their new headphones? And I say, of course, yes. You know, I'm computer and electronic geek and I would love to see something new on my desk. So this is a box. It was packed like usual packages, you know, in bubble foil and some paper. I take it away and I'm waiting especially for you guys to open it in front of the camera. So come on to my desk. I'm gonna open them and read about the specification and make an honest review. Trust me, guys. So let's do this. Hi guys, welcome on my desk. Here are the Fifine headphones, model H8. We're gonna make an unboxing video now. Those are pretty unusual headphones for these days because most of headsets have wireless connection, like most of electronics now, be honest. And thanks to this connection, you can connect them to some old school adapter, vinyl players, or even some DJ console, iPods. Okay, here is the box. We got how grateful invitation, how grateful Fifine is you are using their products, small information about the product. Next is instruction manual. They are really useful sometimes, not just to throw away. It's good to read. Thanks to this, you know how to find your device in Device Manager in Apple and Microsoft products, and how to set the volume, because if you're using jack connected devices, you need to set the volume directly from your system. Here is the smaller box, which includes those cables with jack and big jack connections. And here are the headphones themselves. So what can I say? The product, which is Fifine headphones, are really nice. Maybe they are not super premium stuff like JBL, Harman Kardon or Beats products, but be honest, this is a product range area between 40 or 50 euros. So one of the first things that you're gonna feel after taking those headphones into your hands, it's that they are really light, and this is a big plus of them, because after longer sessions of playing games, listening to some music, you won't get any head sickness, and they are really comfortable and closing sound from outside. So noise cancellation, we can say, in this moment. I like this leather type skin finish. It's not a leather, but really comfortable. And here we have cables. One of them is small jack to small jack connector, and the second one is small jack to big jack. You can use it to connect to some vinyl adapter players, even DJ consoles or other keyboards, any kind of stuff. I'm gonna use it to connect it to my iPod Classic, really old school thing. Let's see how it works. I like those cables, and thanks to them they are that curly type, and they are not so messy, and you won't have any problems with the cable management later. Yeah, nice thing, really old school. I like that design, smiley face finish. Bang, and they are ready to go. Hey guys, after a small unboxing video, and yeah, I listened to the beginning of my review. It's my totally first video I'm recording in English, so don't laugh too much, please. I know my English sucks. So let's come back to headphones. I'm after more than 2 days of listening music on this, guys, and I'm really enjoy them. Quality of sound is totally acceptable. I like the treble, I like the bass. The bass is not cheap, it's not too low and not too high. It's really acceptable. I'm enjoying these headphones. To show you how I'm looking them, I felt on a great idea to connect them to my iPod Classic, real classic. And thanks to this jack connector, we can do this. Look at that. It's this beauty over here have more than 10 years old. And here are still music I was listening to 10 years ago. Look at this. So, headphones are made in really nice quality. They are light, they are not falling from your head. Earmuffs are really soft and comfortable. This is almost all I can say about the build and quality. Comfortable and nice, soft. What else I can say? And I like that design. They look like old school pilot headphones. Okay, let's talk about specification now. They have 50mm speakers built in. Thanks to that, you have full spectrum of treble and bass to listen to, and from 20 to 20,000 frequency range of hertz. It's plenty, trust me. And 32 ohms. Thanks to that, they're enough low to listen in music on devices like iPods, MP3s, and phones, and everything which is bigger, like computer stations, amplifiers, vinyl players, all of that. Full spectrum of devices. So you can use those jack connectors wherever you want. And on the end of video, if you want to win these headphones, it's gonna be a little bit difficult, but you have to go to Polish video. I'm recording 2 videos of these headphones, one in Polish, one in English. And under Polish video, leave a comment below. Give it to me, BAZYL, and I'm gonna make a draw for you guys. Some of you can win these headphones. Really easy to do. And in the description of the video, you're gonna find the link where to buy those headphones on AliExpress. And from the 1st till 11th of November, there's gonna be a promotion on AliExpress and rabatt code. You're gonna buy them a little bit cheaper, thanks to me. And that's all what I can say. Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel, leave a like, and support my channel. Thank you. It's BAZYL TV. Bye bye.